In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these front splash guards on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to pull the wheel off, take the center cap off first, use a straight blade screwdriver. You might want to use a rag so you don't scratch anything. Just pop that off. Using a 22mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Take the wheel off. Take a trim tool and take these two push pins out. Take these two screws out. Use a 7mm socket. Take these two J nuts, and underneath here you can see where you can slide this one in that slot over the hole. Might have to use a screwdriver to help get it in place. That's good there. And then the other one, it's going to go in the back, just like that. Using a 13mm socket, take this bolt out. Take the shield, line it up. Then you're going to take the longer bolt. It's going to get started in the back here. Just get that started. Now line these up and get these screws started. Those ones you're going to use the original ones. And the lower ones, you get two Phillips head screws. Get those started. Tighten these down, just snug. And tighten the bolt down on the side. Just snug. You can do the same on the other side. Now put the wheel up. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts in a cross pattern to 140 foot-pounds. Now just go around again, double check. Now take the center cap. There is a little picture of a valve stem. You want to line that up with the valve stem. Lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.